the brave armadillo. Welcome to the adventures of Ron, the brave armadillo, a heartwarming children's story series set under the wide Texas sky. The story is dedicated to every little hands learning big lessons. Caring for what's yours makes every place feel like home. Ron the armadillo loves adventures, but there's one thing he doesn't like doing: cleaning his messy burrow. When a Texas rainstorm rolls in, his lazy habit turns into a muddy disaster. Can Ron dig his way out and learn to care for his home before it's too late? So snuggle under your blanket, close your eyes halfway, and let's follow the fireflies through the tall grass. Where the moon is bright, the crickets are singing, and Ron's 8th story begins. Chapter 8: The Messy Burrow Disaster. When Ron learns responsibility. Under the hot Texas sun, Ron the armadillo stretched and yawned. His burrow was full of twigs, dry leaves, and half-eaten grub shells. "I'll clean it later. Right now, I'm busy relaxing." Each night, he told himself the same thing. He left piles of dirt in the corners and bits of old cactus on the floor. Soon, his cozy home began to look more like a messy mud cave, but Ron didn't notice. One evening, gray clouds rolled across the prairie. The wind howled and fat raindrops slapped the ground. Soon, the storm was roaring. Rainwater trickled into Ron's burrow, then puddled, then splashed. It slid over the messy piles he'd left everywhere. Mud rushed in, carrying away his favorite blanket of dry grass. "Oh no!" Ron cried, scrambling up. "My burrow!" He worked through the storm, digging trenches and scooping out mud with tired paws. When the rain finally stopped, his home was clean, but Ron felt like he'd done a whole day's work in one night. The next morning, sunlight shimmered on the wet earth. Ron looked around and sighed. If I'd taken care of things little by little, this wouldn't have happened. That day, he lined his burrow neatly with soft grass, swept the floor smooth, and stacked pebbles by the door. From then on, Ron did a quick cleanup every night before bed. His cozy burrow stayed snug and dry, no matter how hard the wind blew outside. The moral lesson of the story: taking care of responsibilities early prevents bigger problems later. Ron learned that a tidy burrow means a peaceful heart. Little responsibilities today can keep big troubles away tomorrow. If you enjoyed Ron's adventure, tap subscribe and like so you can join him for more gentle Texas prairie stories. The brave armadillo's word of the day is the word responsibility. Responsibility is when you take care of your things and your jobs, even when you don't feel like it. Thank you for listening, sharing, and growing confident with Ron on the Texas prairie. See you on the next adventure.